Yo, what's up? It's your boy DJ Pakelo here, back again with another video. And today I'm just going to show you guys an easy, creative way that you can make your bassline. A good bassline that just is fresh in your mind, and you want to create your bassline and you want to implement it into your song as easy and as that. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. First of all, let me just play you my bassline that I created and that I'm going to show you how to create. So this is the bassline that I created. Bum 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 bum. So yeah, that is the baseline and that is how it's going to sound like. Before I do that, I'm just going to play a snippet for you guys so that you guys can hear why I'm doing this. Because this track is actually it's a bit like almost like Mr. Taylor or something like that, but I like the flow of the song, so that's why I use this method of recording my bassline into FL Studio. Or what you can do is you can also use your phone or record it like that, but I use this method to record my bassline straight into FL Studio. So I'm going to show you that just after I'm done playing you the sample of the track. So this is how it sounds like. So yeah, that is how the song is going to sound like, including the bass line. But the bass line is not like it's not in note form yet. But later on, I will make it like in note form, like it should be like this. But the way that I did this is it's quite easy, and anyone can do this. It's just up to you on how you want to do it. But I did it straight into FL Studio. So now I'm going to show you what I did and what I'm talking about. So what you're going to do is when you want to record your vocals or your bassline into FL Studio, um, the first you only need two things. One, you need a microphone or a computer that has a microphone. Like I have a laptop now, and it has a microphone in front of it, so I'm using the microphone to record my bassline. Or if you don't have a microphone on your computer, so like many computers don't have microphones, so what you can do is you can use your phone, or you can use your headphones or earphones that has a microphone, and you can record it like that. So I'm just going to show you guys how you can set it up and what you need to do. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go into your mixer, select any insert above 25, above insert 25, any insert above that. I'm just going to use the insert 43, and then what you're going to do is afterwards, let me lower the volume here. So what you're going to do is afterwards is you're going to go to post, click on none, and in one. So that's all you have to do there. And as you can see there, my voice is actually moving while I'm talking. So that is step one. Step two, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to options, audio settings, and then click on buffer length. So your buffer length is usually going to be the highest buffer length, 2048. So that is going to be the highest buffer length for you guys, or for anyone that is just recording the song. So that must be the highest buffer length. Otherwise, your FL Studio will crash, or other things will happen in FL Studio, and no one wants that to happen in the production. So, but that is just making your production. That is like beginning your song and stuff like that. But if you want to record, you have to go to the lowest buffer length. Otherwise, there will be a delay in your words. Like if you say a word, the word will come a few seconds, or a few seconds after you said that particular word. So you have to put it on the lowest buffer length, like that. And then, like as you can see, while I'm talking, it's moving up and down. It's moving up and down. And let me just play it. It will sound very strange for me because I'm talking while it's going into my microphone, and then it's playing back through the speakers what I just said. So it's going to sound a little bit strange, but I will play a sample for you guys. So when I'm talking, as you can see there, when I'm talking, it's uh, it's mimicking what I'm saying, but that's not the only that's not the only thing you have to do. There's still one more step. The other step is you have to open up Edison. When you open up Edison, go to on play, or you can just leave it like that just now, but I like to do it on play. So on play means when you're going to play your song, and then the recording will start as well. So that is what on play means. While once you've done that, click on record, and then when you press play, like I said just before or just now, when you press play, it will record, and you can do your bass line. Like I will show you guys just an example, but let me turn that off as well. So when I'm going to press play here, and then like if I talk, as you can see there, it's recording my voice. So if I'm talking, it's recording my voice. But in this case, it will record your bassline. What you're going to try to do, it will record your bassline. So yeah, that's basically all what you have to do. And when you're done with your bassline, just press done or stop, and then it will stop as well. It will stop both places. It will stop at the same time. So that is quite easy. And when you're done with that, when you like your bassline, so just click on this here. It says drag, copy sample, or selection. Just click on that, hold, go to your arrangement or your playlist, and just drag it wherever you want it to be. So that is quite easy. And when you're going to play your bassline, there's quite few things that you have to do. Like one thing you have to do is you're going to have to cut. You have to cut that out, but that you don't actually need to do that. Your recording is just an example for how your bassline is going to sound like. So this is an easy way to create your bassline, and this is the way that I'm going to create my bassline from now onwards and forwards. And yeah, hopefully this video will help you, or this method of creating your bassline helped you. And if it did, please give this video a like. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I drop a new video. I'm DJ Bakelo, and I'm out.